at Illumination OBNG. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you can have access to any video I'm going to be dropping. So we're going to continue from where we stopped in the previous video. Please take your time out to check the first video that I made. So we're going to continue with the calculation. So right now we want to apportion this deposition cost to the two departments A and B, and we're told in the question that we're going to apportion equally. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 3160. Okay, so 3160. So at the end of the day, we're going to have 3160. So that is 1,580 naira. 1,580 naira. Okay, so let's add that 6, 10, 11, 60. Okay, so then we have been able to apportion all the costs. Okay, so all the expenses. So let us go ahead now and prepare the departmental account. Okay, so got this Adebo Wale Nigeria Electronics Nigeria, so limited. Okay, I'm just using this for tutorial sake. Please, whenever you are preparing your account, make it more professional and more neater. Okay, so we say trading profit or loss account for the year ended. So what year do we have in the question? Let's see that. Okay, from the question that we have here, okay, for the year 2000. Okay, so for the year 2000, ended 31st of December 2000. 31st of December 2000. Okay, so let's move on. Please ensure you have your ruler with you. Draw appropriately, draw the lines correctly. So let me just try as much as possible to draw the lines. Okay, so I'm using a pen. So let us say this is department A, this is department B. This is okay. This is department A, department B. Okay, so we have let's put our naira sign. Okay. Naira sign. So in the question, we're told that opening stock. So our opening stock given, that is 5,710 for A. For B, we have 7,650. Okay. And we had purchases. Okay, add purchases. So from the question, we have purchases 240,000. 40,000. Okay. And 221,800 based on what we have in the question. Okay, so we also have, so let us add this together. This is 710. Okay, this is 5. This is 245. Okay, 710. This is 0 5 4 9 2 2 9 4 5 0. So in the question we have carried inwards. We're going to add carriage inwards. Okay, so carriage inwards is from the question. If you look at the question, 300. I'll try as much as possible to attach the question, the JPEG format of the question to this video, God willing. So let us move on. We have 0 1 0 6 2 4 6 0 1 0. We have 5 0 5 2 2 9 5 0. So we have sales. So sales, we have 320,018. So for B, we have 280,672. Okay, 762, sorry, in the question. Okay, we don't have any return inwards. So we move on. So we have less closing stock. This is going to give us our cost of goods available for sale. So we're going to less closing stock from the question. Less closing stock. So less closing stock. So closing stock, we have 15,006. We have 11,416. 1,416. So let's close the stock. So we're left with 231,004. And we have 218,881. That should be 134. Okay, so let's move on. So you can finish up within the time given. So this is what we call our cost of goods sold, cost of sales. Okay. So now we cost of sales. We're gonna have our gross profit. Our gross profit. So sales minus 320,018 minus 2310. So let me quickly use the calculator so I can get the figure. So we have 320,018 320,018 minus 231,004. So we have 89,014. Okay, this is 320,018. So for the second one, we have, we drag that a bit, 280,762, 280,762, 280,762 minus 218,134. So that will give us 62, 628. Okay, that is 280,762. So close the account. Okay, so let's close this too. So 320,018. Close that. 280,762. So let's close that. So let's move on to the next one, which is the profit or loss account. Okay, so profit or loss account. So bring down the gross profit. Gross profit brought down. Okay, so we have 89,014 and 62,628. Okay, so we have our wages from the question. Wages, these are expenses. Okay, we have wages. We have 7,600 for A. For B, we have 3,000. So for salaries, based on what we have in the question, please go to the question. Salaries, we have 21,605. We have 18,955 for salaries based on what we did in our adjustment. Office expenses. We have 1918 from what we did. If you go back to the video, we have 1682 for rates. We have 1920, and the next one for B is 480. We have loan interest. Loan interest 320, 320 equally. 320, 320. Okay. So let's move on before we end the video. So at least we should be able to finish up with the profit or loss account. So for advertising, we have advertising in the question. Advertising is 1172 and 1172 and 1028. Okay. And for insurance, so please kindly visit the first video I made to see how we got these figures 0902 and 226. 226. Okay. We also have depreciation of fixture and fittings. Depreciation of fixture and fittings. We have 1580. 580. We also have 1580. 580. Okay. So you can see these are the workings that we did earlier to affirm this, and also we're given in the question some of the expenses you can see that we have here broken down on the table. So let us go ahead before the time ends. So let us go back to our trading profit and loss account and calculate our profit. Okay, so let us add up 760, 7,600, 7,600 plus 21605, okay, plus 1918 plus 1920. Kindly take a calculator to calculate very well. 320 plus 320 plus 1172 plus 902, okay, plus 1580. So that will give us 37. So let me write that down. 37 017, okay, 17. So minus, let us take that away from, so let's take that away from 89014 minus 89014, okay. So we have 51997 of the net profit. Net profit 59, this is 51997, okay. So let's move on to do the other one. We have 3000 plus 18955 plus 1682 plus 480 plus 320 plus 1028 plus 226 plus 1580. So that is 27271 minus 62. So what do we have here? 62628 minus, sorry, minus 62628. So we have 35357. So let's do that. 35357 as a net profit. At the end of the day, we have 62628. We have 89014. So we close the account. So we come down here and also close the account on the right side, okay? So on this note, we are through with our trading profit or loss account. 62628, okay? So this is where we're going to end the video for now, because the time I have to spend using this application is just 15 minutes. I hope very soon I'm going to upgrade and be able to use more than expected number of minutes I can use to finish up the video. So thank you very much for your time. Please kindly like my video, share the video with your friends, colleagues, and classmates, and share my videos with everyone, and also kindly follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell. Thank you.